Welcome to this exciting tutorial on creating a drawing app from scratch using XAML and C#. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Let's dive right in, take a look at the code, and explore the step-by-step process of building your very own drawing application. Let's go through the XAML markup in provided code in detail. 1. Stack panel is a container for grouping and arranging other controls. In this case, it's used to organize child controls horizontally. Grid row equals 0. This attribute specifies that the stack panel is located in the first row of a grid container. A grid divides its content into rows and columns. Orientation equals horizontal. This attribute sets the orientation of child elements within the stack panel. In this case, the orientation is set to horizontal, so the elements will be arranged horizontally, one after the other. Background equals #CCD5F0. This attribute sets the background color for the stack panel. The value #CCD5F0 represents the background color in hexadecimal format. 2. The following are various child controls located inside the stack panel. Let's go through each of them. Toggle button. This is a control that represents a toggle button. Users can click it to toggle between two states, on and off. In this case, it's a button used as a tool for selecting a pencil. Name equals pencil button. This attribute gives the control a unique name that can be used to reference it in code. Checked equals true, sets the initial state of the toggle button to on. This means the button will be checked when the application starts. Width equals 42 and height equals 42, set the width and height of the button. Click equals pencil button _ click, specifies the event handling method to be called when the button is clicked. Similarly, the next button is also a toggle button representing a tool for selecting a brush. It has attributes for name, size, and a click event handling method. Another toggle button represents an eraser tool. It also has attributes for name, size, and a click event handling method. Button. This is a regular button used for clearing the canvas. It has attributes for name, size, and a click event handling method. Another toggle button represents a color picker tool. It also has attributes for name, size, and a click event handling method. Split button. This control contains the currently selected color and a drop-down menu for choosing a color. It has attributes for name and other settings that determine its appearance and behavior. Combo box. This control, named Combo box brush thickness, allows the user to choose the brush thickness. It has attributes for name, data source, item source, initial selected item, selected index, size, vertical scroll visibility, and a selection changed event handling method. Toggle button. Another toggle button, this time for selecting a shape's drawing mode. It has attributes for name, size, and a click event handling method. Combo box. This control, named Combo box shapes, allows the user to choose the shape to draw: circle, rectangle, or triangle. It has attributes for name, initial selected item, selected index, size, and a selection changed event handling method. Canvas. This is a control representing the drawing canvas. It's located in row 1 of the parent grid and has a transparent background. Event handlers, pointer pressed, pointer moved, pointer released, are used to track user actions on the canvas, such as pressing, moving, and releasing the pointer. Let's take a closer look at the C# code. This is the declaration of the current brush variable, representing the current brush for drawing on the canvas. Initially, it is set to black. The variables isDrawing and isErasing are used to track the drawing and erasing states on the canvas. Both are initialized to false, indicating that nothing is being drawn or erased initially. The start point variable stores the coordinates of the point where a drawing or erasing operation begins. Elements to remove is a list of UI elements that will be removed when clearing the canvas. Selected index is used to store the selected brush thickness from a combo box. These variables are used to track the current shape, circle, rectangle, or triangle that the user is drawing on the canvas. Drawing mode is an enumeration that defines different drawing modes: circle, rectangle, triangle. Brush thickness is a list of brush thickness values that will be displayed in a combo box for user selection. Canvas pointer pressed. This method handles the event that occurs when the canvas is clicked. Inside it, there are checks to determine the action being performed, such as color selection or the start of drawing. Canvas pointer moved. This method handles the event that occurs when the pointer is moved over the canvas. Depending on the current drawing mode, it either draws or updates shapes on the canvas. Canvas pointer released. This method handles the event that occurs when the mouse button or finger is released. Inside it, the isDrawing flag is set to false to end the drawing operation. Clear button click. This method handles the event that occurs when the clear button is clicked. It removes all elements from the canvas, effectively clearing it. Color picker color changed. This method is called when the selected color changes in the color picker. It updates the current brush variable and the color of the current brush. Combo box brush thickness selection changed. This method handles the event when the selected brush thickness changes in the combo box and updates the selected index variable. Pencil button click. This method handles the event when the pencil button is clicked and switches to the corresponding drawing mode. Brush button click. This method handles the event when the brush button is clicked and switches to the corresponding drawing mode. Eraser button click. This method handles the event when the eraser button is clicked. It switches to the erasing mode and changes the color of the current brush to white. Combo box shape selection changed. This method handles the event when the selected drawing shape changes in the combo box and updates the current drawing mode based on the user's choice. Picker button click. This method handles the event when the picker button is clicked, allowing the user to select a color from the canvas. Shapes button click. This method handles the event when the Shapes button is clicked and switches to the drawing mode for geometric shapes. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial and gained the knowledge to implement fundamental drawing app functionalities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Keep drawing and coding, and we'll see you next time.